Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for.
Hey guys, so welcome to a new vlog. Today is Monday the 14th of November and we have a new vlog. So guys, today I'm going to my I'm going to my house today. I've been at my friend's place for some time now because of the flood, but now the water has finally dried, so I want to go and check it out and then clean and then clean. So yes, we're like I'm a flood victim. Guys, Mimi is going with me to help me out, but Ruki does not love me. She does not love me. She does not want to go with me. But don't worry, I'll be fine. So come along. What did you say? You see, this girl does not love me. She's here saying you'll be fine. Can you imagine? But come along. I'll see you guys when I get there. This is what my room looks like. Ew. Jesus Christ, is disgusting. See water level. Let me go back so you guys can see it. Can you guys see the water level? Like, it is very close to my TV. Thank God I removed my TV. Last minute I was already going to even leave everything, but last minute I removed my TV and thank God. But see, I mean, I came here thinking that I could clean this place but there's no way on God's green earth that I'm going to clean this house myself. Ew. Good morning guys. So it's been a couple of days since the last clip you guys saw where I showed you guys my house. So a little update. I'm back at my friend's place because there's no way on God's green earth I can stay in that house. So far so good. They've cleaned the house. I got people to clean it up, so they cleaned the house. We need to paint. My painter said the wall is too cold for him to paint. I don't know what that means. I don't know how to paint, but that's what he said. So right now I just want to go and study. We have been having online classes since, so I'm trying to catch up on all of the slides that they dropped, and they dropped a lot. So I'm just trying to catch up on it. I'm going to go to class to study, like in the hospital there are classes. I'm just going to go to one of those classes to read my book. All right, I'm going with my tab. I have everything I want to study inside my tab, and then I'm going with my buds also because I have to listen to music when I read. So come along.
Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other. So waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other.
The time is 4:15. I guys see it, 4:15, and we're done reading. So apparently we're reading for how long now? I think we started reading by past 11 or so, at least 4 hours. And right now I want to go and eat and play. We've been serious for too long. All right, see you guys. Ciao. Good morning guys. I'm coming to you guys again looking mad. I don't even know if I should say I've been suffering. But guys, today is Tuesday. And finally my room, my house, my living space has been painted though. I'm sure you can see the white. So today we're going to clean and move in. That's the agenda for the day: clean and moving. So first of all, I have to go look for water to buy because we buy water here. Get some cleaning supplies. That's it. That's basically the only thing. So guys, I'm back for my little grocery shopping. Let me do a mini haul for you guys. What did I get? So first I got air freshener because this house smelling funny. So I got air freshener. Apparently this is a 5-in-1 air freshener. I got it because it's a lavender air freshener. I like lavender. Then next thing I got is insecticide because and then the next thing I got is toothpaste. I got toothpaste. I got Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. And then I got detergent. And I got tissues, a bunch of tissues. And then guys, I got black soap. I got this Dudu Oshun black soap. I got this soap because it's been everywhere. Everybody has been raving about it. Dudu Oshun, Dudu Oshun. I mean, Dudu Oshun is old, but I don't know why everybody should, so I have to try it. And then I got antiperspirant Dove. I got this new one, this particular one. I've never tried this one before, and I'm hoping, like, fingers crossed, hope I'm not bought rubbish, because I don't know, I'm seeing plants. I don't know if I want to be smelling like that. This particular one I like, could not find it. And then I got bar soaps, and then I got a antiseptic, and then I got a bunch of Ipo, yeah, I just got a bunch of them. And yeah, that's all. That's everything I got, so let's start cleaning. It's time to arrange my clothes. So guys, I'm arranging my stuff, and now I'm still actually have uniform. So we wear blue and white if you don't know. And I don't know who owns this shirt because I don't know. I don't know if this is my shirt, but it's so big. Like, oh, I remember. Okay, yeah, I got an oversized white shirt. Oh, wow, this is big. Oh. So yeah, I remember this shirt. See, that's stains. I'm going to try. The stains are not come off. That means I can no longer wear the shirt. Everything is just a mess right now. And like I'm trying to, move back into my space. As you can clearly see, everything is scattered. But yeah, I think I've done a good job with my wardrobe too. I've arranged it. And oh guys, let me show you. See my mirror. It got broken. I feel so sad, but yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do. Guys, I'm currently at Mimi's place. I mean, by the background you should know by now. I'm at Mimi's place. I came to drop off something, and then from there I have a couple of errands that I'm going to run. I have to get a couple of things. I have to get sheets. I have to get sheets. I have to get food stuff. I have to get what else am I getting? I have to get a couple of things I cannot remember, but I have my list anyways. So yeah, come along. Let's head out. I want to go and look for something to eat first, and then bounce. So guys, I'm finally done buying these things that I wanted to buy. I couldn't even buy everything because I got tired. I was just tired, and I had to stop vlogging because vlogging and buying things in the market does not go hand in hand. Like, it's very stressful. But after buying stuff, I decided to stop by at Biras. So right now I'm at Biras. I'm going to spend the night here and then go back to my trenches tomorrow. But yeah, that's still updates. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace out. Good morning. I've been awake for some time now. So yeah, right now we just want to make food. God, we went to the market to look for plantain. God, it took us like 2 hours just to find plantains, ripe plantains, mind you. Just want to have plantains and eggs and oats for breakfast. And then I'll shower and then I'll start going back to my humble abode. So yeah. Guys, so I'm back from running my errands and I'm in my humble abode. I am now in my house, so, and as you can clearly see, I'm still fixing my house, I'm still arranging. Anyways, let me do a mini haul. Let me show you guys the things that I got. So yeah, what did I get? The first thing I got, okay, not the first thing, like in no particular order at this point, but I got what's this thing called? A duvet. I got a duvet. I got gray. I love gray because gray is one of my favorite colors, and I really love gray. And then the theme of my room is actually white and brown because brown is also my favorite color. But then I have gray also. I have a touch of gray. Okay, let me not say I have a touch of gray. I have only two gray things. My what's it called now? My bean bag, and now my duvet is gray. So yeah. And then I got pillows. I got two because I don't have pillows anymore. The floor carried my pillows away. Then the rest is like, oh yeah, I got sheets. Oh my god, all these sheets are not dirty. White sheets. I got 3. And then I got small foodstuffs. I didn't buy so much. So I got noodles, got vegetable oil, and I got milk, I got onion, I got pepper, crayfish. Okay, I got curry powder, salt, tomato paste, bunch of tomato paste, spag. I got rice, I got thyme, I got maggi. Yeah, that's all. And then the next thing I got is this wall hanger. Some people call this bag hanger, but I got this for my straight wigs because I don't want to put my straight wigs in Ziploc bags. I want to hang them so that they can remain straight and I don't have to stretch them every time I want to wear it. So yeah, I got refuse sacks. And then I got a wood cleaner. This is actually a wood floor cleaner, but I got this for my wooden furnitures because I want to clean my wooden furnitures, my table, my TV stand, and other things. So yeah. And then I got a surface cleaner, an antibacterial surface cleaner, because this is my house. It needs to be disinfected. And then I got a mouse for my laptop, and I got a card reader also. And oh yeah, let me show you guys one more thing. I got this pouch for my boards because I could not find a pouch for my boards. Apparently this is called a universal case. I don't know, and I don't like it because I do not like this thing at all, but I don't have a choice. My boards now, I'm not the most careful person, so I stay scratching it. I don't want that, so I just have to get this one. But yeah, that's all I got. Let me just arrange these things and yeah, keep arranging my house. You guys, good evening. So basically I've been cleaning all day, and now right now I think I have a cold. I've been sniffing, but anyways, right now I'm just trying to get familiar with my gadgets because I honestly don't know how to use these things. But yeah, you know, earlier I told you guys that I got a card reader, so I'm just trying to transfer stuff from the SD card. Like, I filmed from random things on my camera, you know, just trying to get used to it and whatnot. So I'm just trying to transfer stuff now from this SD card to my laptop and just, you know, play around with it and just try to get familiar with this gadget. So far that's imported completely. So yeah, I'm just going to take it out. And then I downloaded Wondershare Filmora earlier. Let's see if I know how to make use of it. I don't think I know how to use it, but yeah. So right now I've learned how to, you know what, I think I'm good to go. I've learned a lot of things. You guys, good morning. So I woke up not too long, as you can see. Okay, guys, I've never made my bed, but yeah, I want to go out. So I'm still in the business of fixing my room. I want to go out. I downloaded some images from Pinterest and I just want to go out and print them out so I can put them on this wall. And then I don't even know what I want to eat this morning. I'm torn in between making egg sauce and spag, or just making tomato sauce and spag with like fish and but I'm very sure I want to eat spag this morning, so let's see. Maybe on my way there I'm going to decide. And I also have to buy myself a new charger. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when I get back. You guys, I'm back after like, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. This thing took so long to print out and I'm so tired. I don't even have the strength to talk so much. I just wanted to check in on you guys. I want to cook and eat and then do other things.
You're the only one by my side.
So guys, I just finished taking out my cornrows. I'm supposed to go and wash my hair immediately, but I'm very hungry. I want to eat first. I've not had anything to eat all day. I'm literally starving, so I just want to eat first. And then my painter was around, came to touch up on some places, and then somehow I got paint on myself, on my clothes. I don't know. You guys, I'm done and I swear I love how it turned out. Like, it's so pretty. The only thing that is left is for my LED lights to arrive so I can use it to frame like the photo collage. I ordered LED lights from Shein and I'm just waiting for it to arrive. Oh my god, this is so cute. So yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here. I think this vlog is already very long. I'm just going to end it here. Like, share, comment and subscribe.